y'all, it's Rachel here. Welcome back to another video. So we just got finished my brother's football game and I checked his oil in his 2018 Hyundai Elantra and it's a little bit low, but you know, it just needs a little touch up. So I went into Walmart and I bought some synthetic oil treatment. So we're going to pop here. Yeah, perfect. Awesome. And I wish I had a funnel, but I don't really. What's that? Really? That's a funnel, huh?
Yeah. Yep.
Great.
That's OEM.
Thank you. I appreciate it. So we're gonna use this funnel and put it right down in there, nice and snug. Perfect. Perfect. Awesome. Kinda wish I had another hand. Robbie. This is my brother Robbie. Good morning. Hi. So, synthetic oil, here we go. We're just gonna use a little bit, about 5 ounces-ish or so. Yes, you're good. I think we're getting pretty good. There we go. How much do you think is 5 ounces? Think that's good? Great. Wonderful. So just keep that there for a minute so we can let all the oil go down. We'll put this back. And we have topped off the oil. Perfect. Thank you so much for your assistance, Robbie. I greatly appreciate it. And your beautiful funnel. Thank you so much. Lovely. It's beautiful. If you don't mind taking care of that. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. It's really nice when you have an assistant here. You know? I appreciate that. Thank you so much. And we are done. Ready to go. Perfecto. And done. Okay, thank you so much for joining. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd like to see next. And make sure you subscribe.